around your waist and insert the end into the clasp. To tighten, pull outward on the strap. Your vest may be inflated automatically by pulling down sharply on the red tab located in the front of the vest, or manually by blowing into the red tube near your shoulder. Your vest is equipped with a water-activated light. Additional information regarding the location and operation of flotation devices for small children may be found in that safety information card. Our cabin will be pressurized during flight. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from that compartment above your seat and immediately pull down on a mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the elastic band, and breathe normally. The mask may be adjusted by pulling on the tabs on either side of the mask. Please adjust your mask before assisting a child or another passenger. Although oxygen is flowing, the bag may not completely inflate. Federal aviation regulations require passengers' compliance with crew members' instructions, fasten seatbelt signs, all other light information signs, and posted placards. Smoking is not permitted on the aircraft, including in lavatories. Federal prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. For everyone's comfort, safety, and security, require that passengers refrain from congregating in the aisles, galleys, and lavatories during the flight. Only one passenger is allowed to be waiting in the forward aisle or entry at any time. We appreciate your attention. We hope you enjoy your flight with us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be dimming cabin lights. If you find any additional reading lights, you can find a crystal reading lamp located passenger service unit right above your seat. Thank you.
Flight attendants, prepare for departure.